Hello everyone, my name is Dan Ludi. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect to the at-remote center server in Japan using other than what they have on their splash screen, meaning that they claim that you can only access it using Windows 7 with Internet Explorer. In fact, what I'm going to use today is Windows Server 2012 and Google Chrome. So the first step is open up your Google Chrome and actually Google IE for Internet Explorer tab for Chrome. The first discovery in that search will work. So after you click on that, you should get a button up here that says Add to Chrome. So we're adding an IE tab to our Chrome. And add extension. So then we want to click on this E up here next to our address bar, and it should give us a download of an application. So it says this type of file can harm your computer. I'm going to go ahead and keep. And then once it stops flashing, I know that it's done downloading. I can click on it. And then following the instructions, I'm going to click on Run. And now I have my second address bar. So this is the address bar that is the Internet Explorer extension to my Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try to I'm going to put in my username and password, and this is the training credential, so I'm not worried about anybody getting these from this video. So at this point there is going to be a bunch of software packages that we need to install in order to get to the at-remote center. This is normal though. You'd have to do this regardless if you were on Windows 7 or not, and if you were in Internet Explorer or not. So I'm going to click on OK here, and then I have to click on this warning up here and install. Then I'll finally get that install. And then the next thing I'm going to be asked to do is install this redistributable package. So I'm going to click on OK, and they give me a link right here. The one thing about this, despite the fact that I'm in a 64-bit operating system, with this Internet Explorer extension to my Google Chrome, I'm going to need to download both the 64 and 86 files and install them. I'm going to say new thanks to the Microsoft Download Manager. And you can see I have a pop-up blocked here, so I'm going to always allow from this site. And this is the x86. I'm going to go ahead and run that. And meanwhile, over here with the 64, I'm going to run that one too. You can see both of those were successfully set up. So I'm going to close those, and I can close this window and this window, and I'm going to click on this window here and hit F5 to refresh. This is also normal, so I'm going to have to go ahead and click on OK here, and then up here on this warning, and install this add-on. And then I finally get my pop-up here for installing this NRSE or nrsexport.cab. So finally you can see that we have reached the @Remote Center server in Japan. And again, to summarize, they would tell you in the splash screen that you can only use Windows 7 and Internet Explorer. And on a Windows 2012 server box, and I've tried this with Windows 10 and Windows 8, using Google Chrome, I am now accessing the @Remote Center server. I hope you found this informative. Thank you.